Welcome to video number 236 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. We have some very interesting value addition to our videos, and that I'll talk with you at the end. So now we'll see something interesting today. This idea came up because one of my friends, he used to ask that do Tamilians never smile? Is that they only laugh? That's not his visual appreciation. Instead, he is from what he has learned. So let's see that now. First, let's see. To laugh is sirika, and to smile it is punnagaika. So laugh as a noun, it is siripu. Smile is punnagai. Let's see a phrase now. I'm going on telling you and you go on laughing. That is, நான் சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருக்கேன் நீ பாட்டில் சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்க. நான் சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருக்கேன். So this is where சொல்லிக்கிட்டே. You'll hear that key slightly, not much. நான் சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருக்கேன் நீ பாட்டில் சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்க. That is, it could be that, come on, stop and listen, or it could be also something out of irritation. Come on. Stop laughing. I'm going on telling and then you go on laughing. நான் சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருக்கேன் நீ பாட்டில் சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்க. So this is definitely laughing, a loud laugh probably. நான் சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருக்கேன் நீ பாட்டில் சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்க. There's another, I'm rolling on the floor laughing. I think it's a very internet phrase. சிரிச்சு சிரிச்சு வயிறெல்லாம் வலிக்குது. That is, literally it means laughing and laughing, I'm having stomach pain. வயிறெல்லாம் வலிக்குது. சிரிச்சு சிரிச்சு வயிறெல்லாம் வலிக்குது. Let's see an example for that now. This is it. This is வயிறு வலிக்க சிரிக்கிறது. That is, to an extent you have pain, or you can also say வயிறு குலுங்க சிரிக்கிறது. That is, to an extent even the stomach just shakes. வயிறு குலுங்க சிரிக்கிறது or வயிறு வலிக்க சிரிக்கிறது. சிரிச்சு சிரிச்சு வயிறெல்லாம் வலிக்குது. So that is again laughing. Now someone is passing by smiling at me. I just don't know who it is. So he's saying, யாரோ ஒருத்தவங்க என்னை பார்த்து சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டு போகிறாங்க, யாருன்னே தெரியல. ஸோ யாரோ ஒருத்தவங்க என்னை பார்த்து சிரிச்சிட்டு போகிறாங்க. ஸோ யூ மைட் திங்க் தட் someone is laughing at you. சிரிச்சிட்டு, no, it's smiling. Who went passed by gave a smile. So it is, in Tamil we use smile and laugh, the same word sirika, to laugh, to smile, and you have to understand it just by context. So we don't use the word punnagaika, though it exists. It's only in literary that you'll find. யாரோ ஒருத்தவங்க என்னை பார்த்து சிரிச்சிட்டு போகிறாங்க means somebody smiled at me. So this is, you have to be careful. So if you want to learn, by the by, if you want to learn small nuances like this, there's already several videos for you to learn nuances. You can check under nuances. I'll also give you the link here for you somewhere. You can click here and directly go there. Look at this picture. You want that boy to smile because you're taking a picture. You say, look here, smile a bit. Inga paru, lesa siri. Inga paru, lesa siri. So when you say inga paru, lesa siri, give a small smile, smile a bit. So it's not a laugh. You don't have to laugh when somebody is taking picture. It's smile. Please smile. We say, okay, smile means Siri, you're taking a picture and you want somebody to smile. Inga paru, Siri, which means smile. It is not laugh. So sweet girl, whatever you say, she's all smiles. That is, it says she's just quietly smiling. Such is her attitude. நல்ல பொண்ணு என்ன சொன்னாலும் சிரிச்சுக்கும். நல்ல பொண்ணு என்ன சொன்னாலும் சிரிச்சுக்கும் means she goes on smiling. So this is for you to pay attention to. Just looking at the phrases you can easily understand whether I'm talking about smile or laugh. நல்ல பொண்ணு என்ன சொன்னாலும் சிரிச்சுக்கும். So look at this cute boy. I think it's a smile. Look at him. It is, we say, எவ்வளோ அழகாக சிரிக்கிறான் பாரு, எவ்வளோ அழகாக சிரிக்கிறான் பாரு. Really it's beautiful. And it is not laugh. It is smile. எவ்வளோ அழகாக சிரிக்கிறான். I think that cleared you the difference because this is very important. People go on making this mistake, which is a little awkward, and they say punnaga pandran, punnagaikiran. No, you'd say sirikiran, and it has to be understood by context. Sirikranga, siri, smile, siri, nalla siri means smile, and when you say shout and Katti Siri means shout and laugh. It has to be understood according to the context. So Learner's Corner is, we are in Instagram and now we are in Telegram also. It's getting interesting. We have some very exciting team. And we are also in FB. FB is not very active, but I want to work on it a little bit. And there's exciting something coming soon. So you watch this place. If you want to join FB, the Instagram, you can get the link. You can type Learn Speak Tamil in Instagram, which will take you to the Instagram channel. And if you wish to join Telegram, you can send a mail to learnandspeaktamil@gmail.com, and I'll give you the link where you can join Telegram. So this is 4 new words for you to learn. To laugh is sirike. To smile is punnagaike, which will be, you'll hear that only in songs, movie songs, in literature, etc. So laugh is siripu, smile is punnagai. All the best with your Tamil learning. Take care. Bye-bye.